When you feel tired and your body can't keep going, allow yourself to rest. Don't think so much about the problem, because worrying only drains your strength. Life is given once, so take care of it. Remember, a calm mind and a rested body can face any challenge better.
I have a message to children that still have their parents or their mother alive. You have no idea how rich you have, the most beautiful life you have. I mean, a luxury life in this world. You have no idea what experience a minute when your mother or your parents leave in this world. But then you realize you are completely transforming into a different human being, and realize how much you hold on in that moment. And you do not realize you can be that mother in the future. Exactly feeling the same way. So don't wait. Keep on living. Yes, we do. And here I am making my DIY Koreans for work. So we decided as a management team, leadership team, we're going to do that. Hi, hello. There's nothing that you can do, especially at Halloween time. AI, all this exploration that we do to media, ang dami-dami talaga. So like this one, it's so cool. You can just make imagination and make it real right there, right now. If you want to have a greenhouse, yes you do. Flower makes us happy. Do a smile on your faces, like me. So ito yung mga video natin for this month of November, October actually, but fall season here. We all change our outfits now dahil medyo lumalamig na ang panahon. Pero yun pa rin ang buhay. Go, go, go. Diba? Sana kayo dyan ganun din. Kahit gaano kahirap, palaging may positive vibes naman. Be like that. Ang buhay ay parang yan, pabalik-balik, paikot-ikot, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. But, just keep on going. Kasi, time comes na doon ka na sa pinaroroonan mo. Yan, ganun lang. Ang buhay ay nakakalito, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Pero, darating lang din yan ka sa pinaroroonan mo. Para pabalik-balik na tayo eh. Anyway, happy pumpkin days! Yan na. Dami yun, no? Ilang kaya lahat yan? So, we call it Garden Pumpkin Patch. So, dito sa amin, isa sa tradition sa US, to be thankful and to be kind and to be caring. Lahat ng mga bagay. Iba-iba naman talaga ang tradition natin, ang mga kultura sa buhay. So, wherever we are, whatever we do, kung saan tayo na sa sulok ng mundo, we are going to learn and adapt to any tradition and culture. Ganun lang yan. Same thing as kung sino ang nandyan sa Pilipinas, kahit saan kang galing. Hindi ka talaga galing sa Pilipinas, but once you stay and be there, you have to be respectful and adapt the culture. Correct? Including the food you eat. Diba? So, this is it. Ito ay kasali na sa buhay ko dito sa Amerika. Kasi medyo natagal-tagal na tayo dito.
Today is Thursday, Lord, the 16th day of October. I come before you with gratitude for the gift of life. Please grant me strength to face today's challenges, guidance to make the right choices, and blessings that overflow in every area of my life. Protect my loved ones, fill our hearts with peace, and let your presence lead us always. Amen.
Yung paang nakakaupo-upo lang dyan at saka chill out lang. Okay lang yan. Kick your feet. This is some of the stuff that I do here. Pagkita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin. Just a little sneak peek for things I do. Kahit kasi kapag ilalagay ko lahat, hindi nyo na talagang maanong kasi ang dami na. Ayan, palakad-lakad lang tayo dito, ha? Sino bang gusto sasama sa akin sa paglakad-lakad? Halika na kayo, lakad na tayo. Magaling din yung maglalakad tayo sa gabi. Very refreshing at saka peaceful. Wow! Ang laki ng kalabasa. Makakain ba yan? Giant pumpkins all over the place. Happy Halloween sa lahat! Huwag kayo matatakot. Ganito na tayo. Enjoying life. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Thank you all for watching. Happy Halloween again. And I'll see you soon. Ingat kayo palagi. This is Gina Flores, Lifestyle in the US. Sign off. Ingat sa lahat. Team Ginisa. Teka sandali. Don't forget to follow, share, and like. Hopefully you can subscribe for VIP.